Hey everybody, it is Tara, and I think I'm going to go with Tara's True review. Scarlett and I were talking about it, and I think that maybe it's what I'm going with for now. So I just got my Boxy box in the mail, and I wanted to get this up as quick as possible. So let's dive on into her. First things first, we have Volition Strawberry Brightening Serum. This was one of my picks. And a brightening serum powered by 20% strawberry derived vitamin C and hyaluronic acid for noticeable radiance, hydration, and even toned skin. $42. So I have a couple of things from Volition now. I'm excited to try them. Next we have, oh goodness, Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. Oh, it's lipstick? What? This iconic game-changing liquid matte lipstick is a comfortable, weightless formula, easy to apply, velvety, and vibrant. It keeps lips supple with max color payoff for 8 hours. $21 for this bad boy. This looks pretty amazing. I want to open it, but it looks like... Oh, wait. Hang on. Oh, there we go. I'm not a big red person, but I love that packaging. That packaging is amazing. Oh, it says Huda Beauty loves Allure, which that's interesting because Allure is its own thing. Okay. Alluring. Okay. What else do we have? Hide. Okay. Hide Premium Foundation. Okay. The perfect liquid foundation. Achieve the perfect natural look with this soft matte foundation that easily builds to medium full coverage. The custom oil-free formula is made to resist sweat and won't clog your pores. It is $30. New brand to Boxy. I'm always funny about getting foundations and boxes because they usually don't match you. It says natural beige. I think they gave a few choices. So, I mean, that's kind of my color. I usually do medium. So I don't know. That sounds right, and I'm interested to try it. Next, we have this unconditional palette. Let's see. Oh, okay, Domonique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. Colors you'll adore to the moments you'll cherish. This palette includes 6 warm, buttery shades ranging from rosy hues to rich burgundies. With a mix of shimmers, mattes, and even a glitter finish, you can create endless looks for all the gatherings and fun events ahead. Ultra pigmented, super blendable, and perfect for those days and nights. So that looks pretty. Oh, I've got to open this. I've got to show you because it just what's on the back. If it is anything, oh, love the packaging. Sucker for packaging. Oh wow, interesting. Look at that. Really pretty colors. I have 1,001 palettes. Love the moments, you'll cherish the memories. That's super cute. I hope you can see it. Okay, and we also have Able Skincare London. So let's read about this. Glycolic acid molecular boost eye serum. Love eye serums. The 3-in-1 serum is a potent eye serum designed for your delicate eye area. The nutrients are blended specifically to reduce puffiness, dryness, dark circles, and wrinkles. So I will definitely be trying this baby. And last but not least, we have something pretty interesting. Does it say drama? It does say drama. Let's see. Uoma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. This bestseller is now dripping in gold. The unique hourglass shaped wand grabs and lifts each last lash, delivering extreme volume while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. So that's pretty cool. I am picky when it comes to mascaras because a lot of them you end up with raccoon eyes, and I cannot stand that. The only one that I have tried that does not do that is the Hourglass mascara. It is hands down to me the best. But we'll look at this. Please tell me it's not blue. No, it's black. Yeah. Nice. Can you see it? I'm kind of losing my lighting. All right, so that is it for the box. That was a pretty great box. I don't think it gives. I'm not going to add all that up, but that's a really good box. I'm impressed with that. Loving my Boxy right now. Loving my Ipsy. I just found out that Truly is going to have uh, it's the cocoa fudge, and I'm not sure if it's the body butter. I think it's a body butter, but they're going to have that and their Glam Bag X, which I'm super excited for. So I should be getting another Boxy box hopefully tomorrow. I figured I would get it today, but I didn't. So I should be getting another Boxy box and also ZC. So stay tuned for those. To my friends, Kristen, I seen that you said that you were going to watch when you got home. So hi, baby. Um, and Heather, I seen you and a couple others. So I appreciate you just even liking the Facebook post, but I appreciate you watching and like, subscribe, comment, do the whole thing. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down. I don't care. Like, I'm here for me, and I'm having fun doing this. If you knew me back in the day, I did uh, what was called Patriot News back in high school. So I'm going back to my roots. So, all right. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And I do this in one take. So, one day I'll figure out editing. Right now, I work every day, so it's kind of hard to navigate this and figure it out in one day, especially whenever I've got boxes to review. So, I'll figure it out. Until next time, y'all have a good one. Bye.